In this Bitget Futures tutorial, I'm going to show you the different trading tools, how to place orders on the platform, the cryptocurrencies that are supported, how to add funds into your account, and everything you need to know to place trades on the Bitget Exchange. Let's get started. Step 1, you can click the link in the description. That'll take you to a page like this where you can create an account on Bitget. And if you don't have a trading discount yet, you can use code ATF10X to get 10% off your fees for life and up to 6,200 USDT in rewards. Oh, forgot to mention, you actually have to verify your identity. To do that, you can click the menu and go through the identity verification here, provide your government issued ID, and then you'll be ready to deposit funds on the platform. To get funds onto the platform, click this icon menu again, click deposit, and here you can select the cryptocurrency of your choice. They have hundreds of coins. Choose the network you want to deposit and copy paste this address into the platform or wallet that you're sending funds from. Now, keep in mind, you will want USDT because that is what the futures trading pairs are in, as you can see here. So just keep that in mind. It's ideal to deposit USDT. Otherwise, if you deposit another coin, that's fine too. You will just have to trade it for USDT. If you want to deposit fiat, just click the deposit fiat button here and select your fiat currency and go through the steps. Then click on this assets tab here, assets overview, and then you'll be able to see the funds available in your Bitget account. And you'll see we have to get money into our futures account because all these funds are separated. So how do we do that? You can click this transfer icon here, and then you can choose the account that it's going from. So we can see I have a balance here, and we want to send it to futures. So we can send it here. There's also coin futures. So if you want to use Bitcoin as collateral or something like that. But USDT is the simplest one, where you'll use USDT as margin. Enter the amount, click confirm, and then that's going to automatically send it to your futures account. So we have funds on the platform. Let's go over how to actually trade futures. So you can see there's a lot of options here. If you are a beginner, you can go to the trade icon here and use the demo trading. This lets you practice with fake funds to kind of get an idea of how it works. So they do have a futures one as well. So here's the demo futures trading. You can see there's a balance. I've already played around with this, and you can practice going long and short, and it's exactly the same as the futures platform. But let's get out of here and show you the real platform. So they have USDT futures and coin futures, which I touched upon. Now this has, if you want your margin to be in Bitcoin or ETH as collateral, you would go to coin futures. But if you just want to do USDT as your collateral, you do USDT futures. This is the most popular option. So let's open this. Now, disclaimer, this is very risky. So only risk funds here that you're willing to lose because you can get liquidated. You can see how much Bitcoin has crashed recently, and a lot of people got wiped out. So always be careful. Now you can select your tokens from here. Bitget offers hundreds of cryptocurrencies, over 490 futures trading pairs, lots of volume. Here you have the prices, 24-hour change in price, and the trading volume. Oh, that is spot. Where was the futures? Here we go. And here are the funding rates. So once you have your positions open, you're usually paying a fee, and that's what the funding rate here is. It's going to charge you a fee in 4 hours if you have a trade open at that point. Charts are integrated with TradingView, so you can do all your technical analysis directly on the platform, switch it to the 4-hour, hourly, and so on. If you mess up the chart, you can always just click reset here. You can also go full screen and check out a lot of data in this platform. Here you have your order books. Everything is customizable, by the way. You have lots of filters, different things like that. You can even move stuff around. And on the right side of the screen, you have your menu. So let's go over how to adjust everything here. This button lets you change between cross and isolated margin. By default, it's on cross. Leverage lets you go up to 125x. So this will increase how much leverage you can use. The higher you go, the more risky it gets, but the more profits you can get potentially as well. As you can see, we have 200 USDT available. So once you first open this, it's going to say 0. And again, you have to transfer funds into that. I already showed you how to do that. Another way to do that is to click this transfer button here. And you can also do that from here, especially when you're withdrawing as well. You can transfer funds out and in through this little button here. Limit orders, market orders, and advanced trailing stop orders, different order types here. If you're doing a market order here, that is usually the easiest. You can use the slider here. And so we're on 10x leverage. We have $200 available. And you can see we can open a position size of 0.02 Bitcoin. And right here, it shows you, so if we're going long, this would be the liquidation price based on this current criteria. So if I open this, I would get liquidated at 76,700. The current price is 85,000. If I was opening a short position, I would get liquidated at 93,000. It's very important. If I click open, it will show you a confirmation before of the estimated liquidation price. Very important to know these numbers. There's a little calculator icon here so you can play around with the numbers before you open your trades as well. And you can also adjust this later on. If you're doing a limit order, the only difference here is you can just adjust the price that you get in on. And let me go to the demo trading. Actually, it's exactly the same, but I'll actually be able to open a position and show you. So again, market order, here we have 2,700 available. And now since there's more funds available, you can see the position size actually gets a lot larger. We're still on 10x leverage, but we have more available to trade. So now I can get almost 0.3 Bitcoin. Liquidation prices are the same. If I bring this slider down, you can see how much these liquidation prices change. So just look at these while I change the slider, right? Because as we're taking on more risk, those liquidation prices get closer. If you take on less risk, it gets a lot harder to get liquidated. Very important here is a take profit and stop loss. So if you're going to be leaving your computer open, leaving trades open overnight, you can set a take profit and stop loss. So let's say we're doing 25% of my account value and you want it to automatically sell your order if the price goes down 5%. Obviously, you can change this to whatever you want, 10, 5, 4, and you want to automatically take a profit if it goes up 10%. Again, you'll figure out these numbers based on your analysis of the charts. And then you can kind of get these ideas. You're basically ready to place your trade. You can click open long. You're betting on the price to go up. It'll show you your take profit price, stop loss price, etc., liquidation price. Click confirm. That automatically goes through because it's a market order. So it takes the best price from the books. And then you can see right here, we have an open position right now. And you can also edit it from here, close it, and so on. You can also see it right on the chart. So here you can see your take profit and stop loss. These can always be adjusted right from here. You can cancel it as well, just like that, it's gone. You can also just click this positions tab to edit it from here as well. So you can see take profit, stop loss, click this little edit icon, cancel, edit, cancel, etc. Now, if I want to get out of this position, you can see that I'm in the red. So let's say I want to get out of this. You can click close here, and that's going to do a market close, click confirm, and just like that, instantly we are out of the trade. If you want to go long and bet on the price going down, it's the exact same thing, except you would click the red button, short. Very simple, really. The hard part is actually knowing how much margin you have, playing around with the liquidation prices, and so on. Again, always be very careful. But let's say you're done trading for the day. Hopefully you made some profit. You can click this transfer button here. Send it back to your spot account where you can withdraw your funds. If you want me to quickly show you how to withdraw, you just click this wallet icon, click withdraw, and here you can select the coin and network and paste your wallet address. With withdrawing fiat, just click that button there and select your currency. Hope you found this video helpful. Here's another one that you might want to check out. And if you think Bitget is the right platform for you, there is a 10% lifetime discount on your trading fees in the description.